Mexico, a land full of colors and flavors. Did you know that its official name is the United Mexican States? Its form of government is Republic of Federated States. Its capital, Mexico City. Its money is peso. Its official language is Spanish. Its population is more than 120 million people. Its major rivers are Rio Grande and Yaqui River. Its major mountain ranges are Sierra Madre. Its area is bigger than 1,964,000 square kilometers. Nature. Few nations on earth support as many plant and animal species as Mexico does. Located partway between the equator and the Arctic Circle, it is a refuge for animals fleeing extreme cold in the north and intense heat in the south. In northern Mexico, deserts are full of plant and animal species that have found ways to survive the harsh environment. On Mexico's west coast, gray whales swim thousands of miles each year from Alaska to breed in waters of Baja California. The rainforests and coastal wetlands of eastern Mexico are home to thousands of tropical plant species and elusive animals like jaguars and quetzal birds. Geography. Mexico is a land of extremes with high mountains and deep canyons in the center of the country, sweeping deserts in the north and dense rainforests in the south and east. Mountains cover much of Mexico between the Sierra Madre Oriental mountain range in the east and the Sierra Madre Occidental in the west lie small mountain ranges on the central plateau. These regions are rich with valuable metals like silver and copper. The stretch of land called the Yucatan Peninsula juts into the Gulf of Mexico from Mexico's southeastern tip. It was once the home of the Maya civilization, an ancient culture whose amazing buildings can still be seen today. We have here the biggest rivers in Mexico: the Yaqui River and Rio Grande. Food. Mexican food is popular throughout the world, but the kind you're probably used to, such as tacos, guacamole, quesadillas, enchiladas, and carnitas, is only a small part of this country's culinary repertoire. With its variety of indigenous civilizations, each region in Mexico is marked by a distinct aroma, taste, and texture. People and culture. Mexico is the product of a rich Indian heritage, 3 centuries of Spanish rule, and a shared border with the world's richest country, the United States. Today, most Mexicans are mestizos, which means they have a mix of Indian and Spanish blood. Throughout its history, Mexico has been home to great artists. The Maya and other Indians made impressive murals, sculptures, and jewelry. Modern Mexican artists include great painters, photographers, sculptors, and muralists. Mexicans take sports seriously. In ancient times, losers of a ritual ball game were once put to death. In some dangerous sports like bullfighting and rodeo, which was invented in Mexico, competitors still put their lives on the line. Those are the references for our work. Thank you.